Do you have any like specific kind of takeaways that you feel have been like really impactful at Atlas to sort of help you develop and compete, kind of not just with locally, right? But now we're competing globally.
Well, the thing that I really learned from the Babson program was that you really have to hire some experts. And if you think you don't have the money, you really have to figure out a way to hire the experts that can really take you to the next level.
Gotcha.
So it took me about 2 years to be able to do it, but I hired a CFO.
Got it.
And her skill set is unbelievable, and she's really helped improve the bottom line and really streamline the way we pay our bills and cash flow and looking at return on investments, all of that. So that's been an excellent. I don't know that I would have done it before the program because you're struggling and you're like, how am I going to do this? But in some cases, you have to learn that there's certain things you've got to get other experts in.